random video being filmed on the request of a couple of my followers on Instagram who wanted me to talk about how I store my stuff in my cupboards and my drawers. You guys are very nosy, very nosy, and since you're so nosy and you asked for it, I am answering your questions on how I do it in the form of a video. I hope these tips and tricks help you in some way. I may not be the most organized person out there, but I like to think I'm pretty organized. So well, I hope this video helps you because this is organizing all of my clothes and my accessories in one drawer and one cupboard. So keep watching. This is the cupboard. Just say khul ja sim sim. Okay, and we're gonna open it. Did you say it? Say it. Alright. So ta-da! This is how my wardrobe looks right now. I'm gonna take the camera out of the stand and show you everything in detail now. But more or less, this is it. This is that one space where I put everything. Oh, I'm out of the frame. This is it, guys. This is it. Okay, let me now show you everything properly. So tip number one that I have for you guys is hang everything that can be hanged on hangers. We don't use this space as much, you know. Most people I see, or most of my friends, they'll just use these rods for hanging their denims or hanging, you know, their heavy Indian or some saris and stuff, but not for tops. Why not? I fail to wonder. But jackets and tops for me are the ones that are up here, all of them. This saves so much space considering we live in Bombay, and space every square inch counts. I also have a few longer dresses at the back which go till here, so it's not that bad. Maybe one of them, I think, yeah, one of them goes a little longer, but otherwise I have all my tops, jackets and my short dresses up here. I have these three boxes. You might have seen these in my Instagram stories a couple of times in the last 3 years. I've had them for over 3 years now, and they're very sturdy, very good quality. I got them from Crawford Market. I think one box was for around 200. I'm not sure. I'm gonna find the price and list it for you guys, but it is brilliant. It stacks all the extra stuff that I have. Like this here has all my hats and my winter gear and, like, you know, my mittens and all of that. And right here I've put like this pretty tray with like 4 of my favorite perfumes that I carried with me to Bombay. This is Yves Saint Laurent. This is Black Opium. It's my current favorite. It kind of smells like vodka, so I've been told, but it smells divine. This is Hugo Boss, of course. It's a pocket size, like a travel edition. This is Juicy Couture, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is Juicy Couture. It's a little too sweet for me, but this here is my baby. It's Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, my current favorite. So right here on the right side, I have my jewelry organizer, which has a bunch of jewelry, necklaces, all my junk jewelry and earrings that don't require a lot of care are out here in the open, and things also that I use every day. This here is a cute little gift from a student at NIFT. This is a soap I got from Seychelles. It smells divine. Quick hack: use a soap that you love the smell of and just open it and keep it in your cupboard. It smells amazing without the need of like a, you know, cupboard freshener or like a room freshener. This side has a cute little hand towel that I just have hung here because I found it very cute. So the shelf under the drawer is where I have all my night suits, because these are things that I need every day, and I've stacked them in a way where all the t-shirts are here, all my proper night suits, like suits with pants, pajamas are here, my shorts are here, and all my gymming gear and all my tracks and all of that is right here. So this is the drawer where I stack all my lingerie. All my bras are stacked here, perfectly kept open so that the cups, you know, don't get bad and they don't, like, you know, they last a little longer this way. All my undies are here, all my slips, all my tank tops, basically all the tiny little undergarments are here. Also, oh, this is torn. Don't judge, okay? So my fitness gear is also here, like my sports bras and stuff is also all here. So this is one of the drawers that contains all my clothes, basically all my dresses, my kurtas and my kurta sets with dupattas are all here. These are all stacked here in like a stack of 4, and yeah, it works well for me because I tend to iron my clothes every time. right up there you can see there are 3-4 boxes that are stacked. They have all my Indian wear stuff, that has all my swimming costumes, that has all my scarves and dupattas. This one here in the front has all my heavy Indian stuff that I've packed in like zipper bags and put them up there because I don't use them as often. This here is that famous or infamous rather drawer which carries all my stuff. If you can see, it's really wide and pretty deep, so I have arranged everything in boxes and pouches, and I'm going to show you how I've done that and how I've segregated. To begin with, this is I think a mithai ka dabba or a chocolate box or a cookie box where I've kept all my hair clips. This here for sure was a mithai ka dabba, and this has all my hair rubber bands and yeah, all of that. And this here was a hamper from Kaya which I ended up upcycling and using to keep all my bandanas. Now this is a big box. This is a jewelry box where I stack all my jewelry. So if you see it right here, so as you can see here, I've used a bunch of plastic boxes which I've layered with cotton and kept all my jewelry just to make sure that the quality of the jewelry doesn't go bad, and because of friction they don't break. And this here are pouches. If you can't find boxes, pouch it up. These are also great if you want to travel and want to keep everything in different places. This here is my cute little makeup kit where I stack all my makeup. You guys know I'm not big on makeup, so this is all that is. This here is a shoe box that I've upcycled and kept all my everyday essentials, from my hair gel to my body lotion to everything. Here in the drawer, I've organized all my Alright you guys, sunglasses.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I filmed it only because you guys wanted me to talk about how I organize my stuff. So now you've seen into my cupboard, which is not the most organized, but kind of organized. Also, I hope these organizational hacks, these tips and tricks on how to stack your jewelry better and all of that helps you in some way. If you have a better way of doing it, please leave down comment section में आपकी approach on how you organize your things better, and maybe I'll start incorporating them in my everyday life too. For now, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Mwah. Bye.